MBG's Expert Opinion Series. Today we have with us Mr. Piyush Pandey, our leader of Legal and Regulatory Affairs Department. Mr. Piyush, welcome to our series. In the wake of current COVID crisis, we would like to hear your thoughts on the Indian roadmap for revival post-pandemic.
Thank you, Amit. See, regarding my thoughts on Indian roadmap for revival post-pandemic, see, I'm a follower of a very famous saying that every crisis comes with an opportunity. So, basically, we need to look this post-pandemic revival plan not only to mitigate the immediate risk and threats posed by this pandemic, but also to take this opportunity to create a robust infrastructure, robust fiscal measures, policy reforms, so as to emerge as a viable destination in the global market. Because we have seen that China has lost, I think, some space in the global market. So that is an opportunity which is lying outside the border of our country. So I think we need to make our best effort to grab that opportunity and just to take this opportunity, deep economic transformation is very much needed. And expecting the economic recovery through the market forces, I think that will be a futile thought, because this pandemic has caused the damage to the economy that is far beyond what the monetary and other liquidity infusing policies can achieve. So, in my understanding, and you have also seen a lot of people have lost their employment. So, in my understanding, the revival plan should focus on certain key sectors which have been worst impacted by this pandemic, and need of the time is to revive the growth, generate employment, and provide livelihood and enhance the disposable income in the hands of people, and of course generate the demand. Basically, now the time is to activate the vicious circle of savings and investment, production, supply, and growth. So, and I'm sure as we have seen, it is quite evident that our government is doing very right things in the correct direction, because in the recent past we have seen a lot of reform undertaken by the government, and we have also seen our Honorable Prime Minister, he used to say that government is focused on reform, transform, and perform. So I think this is all should be considered while framing a roadmap for revival post-pandemic.